red, blue, and green ones in the images of the next 3 stages. Can you spot the oddball out in just 5 seconds? Let's start off easy. Did this ball trick you into thinking it was green? Aha! Those red lines aren't fooling anyone. That's another one pretending to be red. Did you catch all of those oddballs? Then give yourself a point. Now, stage 2
Cat
is
catching
going
a
to get
string.
little trickier. Are you ready? That gray ball sticks out like a sore thumb. What's next?
Oh yes, oh yes.
That was tough.
Oh
but
yes.
The beige ball in the corner just didn't look right. Ooh, I almost missed that.
Whoa.
But if you caught it, along with the 2 others in the stage, give yourself another point.
Cheers!
Now it's time to tackle the final stage. Have you got your head in the game? Then let's go. Whoa, there are so many balls in so little time. But that bottom beige ball is just slightly too bright. Beige ball pretending to be green. But
Whoa, Johnny the cat!
The final image.
He's wild.
Oh no, I thought it was one of the blue balls, not the red.
Okay,
Well,
that's
I
it.
may have